I will review this strategy on the gold chart and the 5-minute time frame, but you can use the strategy in all charts and time frames. Now we have to add the first indicator of 3 indicators of this trading setup to the chart, which is called QQE mod. The QQE mod indicator is displayed in the chart like this. Now in the settings of this indicator, we have to apply the desired adjustments. In the Inputs tab, we will use the default settings. But in the Style tab, we need the QQE line and 0 level option, so disable other options. The QQE mod indicator is the main indicator that issues the signals. In fact, when the QQE line crosses the 0 level from top to bottom, the sell signal is issued. And also when the QQE line crosses the 0 line from bottom to top, the buy signal is issued. For example, here the QQE line has issued a sell signal, so we can enter a short trade. And in this example, the QQE line has issued a buy signal, so we can enter a long trade. But when the market moves sideways, just like these examples, fake signals are issued because we have not used any other method to filter the false signals. To solve this problem, we add a second indicator, but before that, if you want to use our trading signals to earn profit in the financial markets, you can become a member of our Telegram channel, the link of which I've placed below this video. Add a second indicator called Trend Magic to the chart. Now we need to set this indicator. Therefore, in the input section, change the value of CCI period to 50. And then change the ATR period to 6. Then in the style section, change the color 0 to green. Now when the buy signal is issued, we have to wait until the color of the Trend Magic indicator turns green. And when the sell signal is issued, we have to wait until the color of the Trend Magic indicator turns red. In this example, the buy signal was issued by the QQE mod indicator, but this signal was not confirmed by the Trend Magic indicator, so this signal is not valid. The next signal has exactly the same conditions, so this signal is not valid either. A great thing about the QQE mod indicator is that when the QQE line moves horizontally near the 0 line, it indicates a sideways market. Therefore, when the QQE line moves near the 0 line, the signals issued by the QQE line are not valid. The signals are valid when the QQE line had a proper distance with the 0 line before crossing. Now to complete the strategy and turn it into a money-making strategy, we need to add the third indicator called SSL Hybrid to the chart. Now let's set this indicator. Therefore, in the Style tab, disable all options except for MA baseline. Then in the Inputs tab, set the baseline type to JMA and change the baseline length to 200. Now let's talk about the exact terms of entering into a trade. For a buy signal to be valid, the following conditions must be exist. First, the buy signal must be issued by the QQE mod indicator. And second, this signal should be confirmed by the trend magic indicator, which means that the trend magic indicator should be green. And third, the price should be above the blue SSL hybrid. Now when all these conditions are met, we can enter into a buy trade in the close of the trigger candlestick. Then place the buy stop loss below the last swing of the market. And consider the target as 1.5 times greater than the stop loss. For the sell signal to be valid, the following conditions must be present. First, a sell signal should be issued by the QQE mod indicator. And second, the signal should be confirmed by the trend magic indicator, which means that the indicator should be red. And third, the price action should be below the red SSL hybrid. And when all these conditions are met, we can enter into a sell trade at the close price of the trigger candlestick. Then place the stop loss above the last swing of the market. And consider the target as 1.5 times greater than the stop loss value. But if you want to get to know my best trading strategy, you need to watch this video.